Marco's Pizza, Key Franchise Information. Series, Franchise Business, The Guide to Franchises, Goals, Mission, and Vision of Marco's Pizza. Marco's Pizza is one of America's fastest-growing pizza franchises, known for its authentic Italian recipes and handmade dough. The brand was founded in 1978 by Pasquale Pat Giammarco, an Italian immigrant who brought his family's pizza sauce recipe to Ohio. Marco's earns money by selling pizzas, subs, salads, and sides through dine-in, delivery, and carry-out. It also generates revenue through catering and branded merchandise. Their mission is to deliver high-quality pizza with real ingredients and no shortcuts. Their vision is to become the most loved and trusted pizza brand in the U.S., with a focus on community, consistency, and franchisee success. Are you wondering if a Marco's Pizza franchise is right for you? In this video, we'll walk you through the brand's mission, business model, startup costs, and the support they offer to franchisees. Let's get started. 1. How does a Marco's Pizza franchise work? Learn about the business model. Key information. Franchise model. Marco's Pizza operates on a single-unit and multi-unit franchise system. Franchisees run their own restaurants under the Marco's brand, following strict standards for recipes, service, and store layout. Fee structure. Franchisees pay an initial fee of $25,000, plus 5.5% royalty, and up to 5.5% marketing fees based on gross revenue. Support from Marco's Pizza. Franchisees receive help with site selection, lease negotiation, construction, training, and marketing. The brand provides an 8-week onboarding program, access to Marco's University, and ongoing field support.
Anecdote. The original Marco's Pizza location in Oregon, Ohio, still uses the same sauce recipe created by Pat Giammarco and his father in their home kitchen. Proof that tradition can scale.
2. Entry costs for Marco's Pizza. How much does it cost and what earnings can you achieve? Key information. Initial costs. Total investment ranges from $2,867.27 to $8,071.52. This includes franchise fee, leasehold improvements, equipment and signage, POS systems and tech setup, inventory and uniforms, permits, licenses, and legal fees. Pre-opening payroll and training, additional funds for 3 months of operations. Potential earnings. Average annual revenue per location is from $86,000 to $112,226.84. With profit margins from 15% to 18%, franchisees can expect net earnings from $132,900 to $22,000 annually.
Anecdote. One Marco's Pizza in Texas hit $1.4 million in sales in its first year, thanks to a location near a high school and a local football sponsorship.
3. Step by step. How to register a Marco's Pizza franchise and how long does it take? Key information. ARS registration process. Submit an application, complete a discovery call, attend Discovery Day, review the franchise disclosure document, FDD, and sign the agreement. Documentation. You'll need a net worth of $400,000 and liquid assets of $25,000. Background checks, financial statements, and business plans are also required. Duration. The full process takes from 6 to 12 months, including approval, training, construction, and launch.
Anecdote. During Discovery Day, one applicant was so impressed by the dough-stretching demo that they signed their agreement before the tour ended, calling it the most delicious business decision I've ever made.
For taxes and fees in Marco's Pizza. What do you need to know before you start? Key information. Income tax. Federal and state income taxes range from 21% to 35% of annual gross profit. Property taxes. These apply only to owned real estate and range from 1% to 2% of property value annually. Leased properties are not subject to this tax. State and local taxes include sales tax from 4% to 10%, use tax and local business fees such as health permits, signage licenses, and food handling certifications. Licensing fees. These cover food service permits and business licenses. They average 0.5% of annual gross revenue. Training costs are not included here. Marketing fees. Marco's Pizza charges up to 5.5% of gross revenue for national and regional advertising. This includes TV, radio, digital campaigns, and seasonal promotions.
Anecdote. One franchisee in Florida used their local marketing budget to sponsor a pizza eating contest at a nearby college, boosting weekend traffic by 38%.
By 5. Hiring employees in Marco's Pizza. How many do you need and what are the training costs? Key information. Number of employees. A typical Marco's Pizza location needs from 20 to 35 employees, including pizza makers, cashiers, delivery drivers, shift leads, and managers. Training costs. Initial training costs range from $3,150 to $1,250, depending on travel, lodging, and wages. Ongoing training is provided through Marco's University and Field Support training systems. Franchisees and managers complete an 8-week onboarding program. Crew members use digital modules and receive hands-on coaching from certified trainers.
Anecdote. One franchisee in Ohio trained their entire team using Marco's University and won Best Operational Launch in their region just 2 months after opening.
6. Marco's Pizza. Operational costs. What expenses will you face daily? Key information, monthly. Ingredients and resources. $18,000 to $3,000 depending on menu volume and supplier contracts. Salaries and benefits. $2,000 to $35,000 including wages, insurance, and bonuses. Rent and utilities. $3,000 to $7,000 depending on location and lease terms. Insurance for premises. $2,366 to $16,500 covering property, liability, and workers' comp, maintenance, and utility. $1,000 to $3,000 for repairs, cleaning, and upkeep. Licensing and marketing fees. $4,000 to $8,000 based on gross revenue. Total of all taxes. Around $3,000 to $6,000 per month including income, sales, and property taxes. Other, 30%. Miscellaneous costs like legal, accounting, tech services, and income tax, reserve.
Anecdote. One Marco's Pizza in California sold over 11,000 pizzas in a single weekend, forcing the team to restock cheese and pepperoni 3 times in 48 hours.
Loving the video? Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give us a like, and share your thoughts in the comments. 7. Training and support. How does Marco's Pizza help its franchisees? Key information. Initial training. Franchisees and managers complete an 8-week onboarding program that includes classroom instruction, hands-on training in a certified store, and digital learning modules. Topics include food safety, customer service, inventory, and POS systems. Operational support. Franchise business consultants provide ongoing support with operations, staffing, and performance tracking. Franchisees also receive help with grand opening coordination, local marketing, and business planning. E-learning platform. Marco's University offers interactive lessons, videos, and quizzes for crew members. It's updated regularly to reflect new menu items, seasonal promotions, and brand standards. Marketing. Franchisees benefit from national campaigns, seasonal rollouts, and local store marketing kits. The brand provides access to branded assets, influencer partnerships and analytics tools to track campaign performance.
Anecdote. One franchisee in Georgia used Marco's University to train 25 employees in just 10 days, cutting onboarding time in half and winning Best Team Launch in their region.
Franchise inspections in Marco's Pizza. What are the requirements and what to expect? Key information. External inspections. Local health departments conduct food safety and sanitation checks every 6 to 12 months. These include temperature logs, hygiene practices, allergen labeling, and food storage compliance. Internal inspections. Marco's Pizza Corporate performs quarterly audits focused on cleanliness, service speed, food quality, and brand consistency. Surprise visits may occur during promotional launches or peak seasons. Frequency. Internal inspections are scheduled every 3 months. Franchisees receive detailed feedback and action plans to improve performance and maintain brand standards.
Anecdote. A Marco's Pizza location in North Carolina passed a surprise inspection with a perfect score, earning a Red Apron Award and a feature in the company newsletter.
9. Profitability of Marco's Pizza. Is it really a profitable business? Key information. Profitability. Marco's Pizza franchisees earn an average annual revenue from $86,000 to $122,684. With profit margins from 15% to 18%, net earnings typically range from $122,900 to $22,000 per year. ROI. Return on investment ranges from 15% to 18%. Most franchisees recover their initial investment within 2 to 3 years depending on location, staffing, and operational efficiency. Success factors. Key drivers include strong brand loyalty, authentic Italian recipes, efficient kitchen design, and high-margin menu items like specialty pizzas and combo deals. Locations near schools, offices, and suburban neighborhoods tend to perform best.
Anecdote. One franchisee in Michigan broke even in just 24 months, thanks to a location near a college campus and a loyalty app campaign that boosted repeat visits.
10. Marco's Pizza in the market. How is the brand doing today? Key information. Market position. Marco's Pizza operates over 1,200 locations across the U.S., Puerto Rico, and the Bahamas. It ranks in the top 3 pizza franchises by FundScore and is consistently featured in Entrepreneur's Franchise 500 and QSR's Top 50. Growth and expansion. The brand is expanding into non-traditional locations like airports, ghost kitchens, and college campuses. It's also entering international markets, including Mexico City, through a 50-unit master franchise agreement. Challenges. Labor costs, inflation, and competition from Domino's, Papa John's, and Pizza Hut continue to pressure margins. Marco's responds with tech upgrades, menu innovation, and multi-unit incentives. Forecast. In 2025, Marco's is focused on culinary innovation, digital platform enhancements, and expanding its footprint in the Midwest, East Coast, and Sunbelt regions. The brand is also investing in AI-powered ordering systems and data analytics to support franchisee growth.
Anecdote. In 2025, Marco's Pizza launched its Fiery Flavors menu and saw a 22% increase in weekend orders, especially for its spicy triple pep Magnifico.
11. Pros and cons of a Marco's Pizza franchise. What you need to know before deciding. Key information. Pros. A strong brand recognition and Italian heritage. B. High average unit volume and profitability. C. Multi-unit incentives and growth support. D. Veteran and first responder discounts. Cons. A. High initial investment. B. Competitive pizza market. C. Strict brand standards and operational systems. D. limited menu flexibility.
Anecdote. One franchisee in Arizona said, Marco's gives you the recipe, the rhythm, and the reputation. You just need to bring the hustle.
12. How to choose a profitable franchise and avoid mistakes. Key information, market research, study local demographics, traffic patterns, and competitor density. Look for underserved areas or resale opportunities. Financial assessment. Review startup costs, expected ROI, and monthly cash flow. Consult with a franchise accountant or advisor. Consultations with experts. Talk to current Marco's Pizza owners, attend Discovery Day, and read the Franchise Disclosure Document, FDD, carefully. Support evaluation. Compare Marco's Pizza's training, tech, and marketing support with other pizza brands. Franchise agreement analysis. Check for renewal terms, territory rights, exit clauses, and resale conditions.
Anecdote. One franchisee almost signed with a sandwich brand, until they saw Marco's Pizza's average unit volume and realized dough was the real goldmine.
Conclusion. Who is the Marco's Pizza franchise for, and is it worth investing? Marco's Pizza is ideal for entrepreneurs who value tradition, flavor, and a proven business model. With average annual revenues from $1,886,000 to $1,22684 and profit margins from 15% to 18%, it offers strong returns for those willing to manage operations hands-on. Most franchisees recover their investment within 2 to 3 years, making it one of the faster payback models in the pizza industry. However, it's not for everyone. The initial investment ranges from $28,627 to $807,150, and Marco's Pizza enforces strict brand standards. Franchisees must follow exact procedures, recipes, and layouts. Flexibility is limited, and success depends on location, staffing, and execution. Marco's Pizza is best suited for multi-unit investors, experienced operators, and those with a passion for Italian food and community engagement. If you're ready to lead a team, deliver craveable pizzas, and build a loyal customer base, this franchise might be your perfect match. Just be sure to do your homework, talk to current owners, and understand the commitment before jumping in. Anecdote. In 2025, a Marco's Pizza in Texas broke the brand's single-day sales record, serving over 5,200 pizzas in 24 hours, all through carryout and delivery. Bibliography. Franchise Times. Franchise Business Review. Franchise World. Franchising for Dummies. In the next episode of Franchise Business, the Guide to Franchises. So Tim Hortons. Is Tim Hortons a good choice for you? With our guide, you have all the necessary information to make an informed decision. Good luck on your franchise adventure. Thank you for watching. If you like the subject matter of this channel, please subscribe, like, and comment. I wish you a day full of success.